Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for the Dash token. Okay guys, so if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well. You can find the link to it in the description below the video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, all kinds of day trading strategies and stuff like that on a daily basis. So if you're into that sort of thing, you guys, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because I'm only going to be here for the long term and continue to grow more and more. So for those of you who are brand new to my channel and this is the first video you've seen of mine, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding onto various altcoins for about 5 years now, and I'm always buying long-term. I'm always buying into long-term positions, okay? I have no reason to sell, so I'm consistently buying into new long-term positions as time goes on. But I like to figure out where the price could potentially go long-term first. So I'm basically just filming myself doing my own research into seeing if various coins can go to certain levels or not. So, and I do things a lot differently than most people as well, you guys. My long-term price predictions are based on market cap levels, okay? I'm here for the long term, so whether it takes 3 years, 5 years, or 7 years, or hell, even 10 years, I'm going to continue holding on to these coins until they reach my market cap targets. And a lot of them have already reached my very first targets from 5 years ago. So I've came up with new targets for a lot of them and whatnot. So, but today, guys, I'm going to be looking into Dash and seeing where the price could potentially go long term. Now, Dash is literally a real OG project. That's for darn sure. It's currently ranked number 79 on CoinMarketCap. It's currently trading for $101.88 at the time of me filming this video right now, with a market cap of almost $1.1 billion and a max supply of 18.9 million tokens with a current 10.6 in circulation, which is about 56% of the overall max supply. So guys, let's see what the all-time high is. Actually, we'll check this out first. As we can see here, you guys, Dash has been around since about 2014. So when I say that this is a real OG project, I mean this is a real OG project. I mean it's almost been around for 10 years already. So that's really awesome to see. And as we can see here, it had its biggest spike back when Bitcoin hit $20,000 for the very first time, or 19,800 or whatever it was. And it hasn't done as well since, but it will in the long-term future, you guys. Like I said, this project is here for the long term, and when these projects get more and more money flowing into them as time moves on, it's going to continue to grow more and more naturally, you guys. So the all-time high for Dash is actually, holy cow, I didn't even know that. So the all-time high is actually $1,642, and that happened in December of 2017. So around the time when Bitcoin went up to $20,000, Dash took a big spike and went up to 1,600 as well. So it can definitely go up there, you guys. If it did once, it can definitely do it again. So I want to see what the market cap was back then when it went that high, because I'm kind of curious myself. I don't know what the circulating supply was back then, but we'll just use the current circulating supply and get a general idea of what the market cap was back then, because that's pretty darn high. I didn't even know that. So we'll take 10,631,731, and we'll go ahead and multiply that by, what was that number again? 1,642. Holy smokes, guys, 1,000 million billion. That had a market cap of roughly $17.4 billion at one point in time, you guys. That is insane, okay? So realistically, you guys here, from a long-term perspective, I'd like to be the type of person that says, yeah, if it did it, I mean, it did it once, it can definitely do it again. Which, I mean, realistically, you guys, it definitely can. But in this case, I mean, I like to be safe rather than sorry. So I am personally going to go off of things based off of, I'm going to call this a lucky shoot and basically say that I don't know if it could go that high again. Realistically, it could because it has once. But in my personal opinion, I don't know if it could. So realistically, I'm gonna be a conservative about this, a super conservative, and say that it could only reach a market cap of roughly $15 billion at some point in time, okay? Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I like to be safe rather than sorry, because I like to, make sure that I'm, covering my own ass here, because we're dealing with real money here, you guys. So we're going to see where the price would potentially be if it reached a market cap level of $15 billion, you guys. So we're going to take, and where the circulating supply we're going to use is going to be different from this. We're actually going to use a circulating supply of 12 billion tokens, since, 3 to 5 years from now, the circulating supply is going to be a lot higher than where it's at right now. So we'll use 12 billion because it's an easier number to use with, to deal with. So we will use 12 million tokens, okay, guys, and we're going to multiply it by, let's start multiplying numbers and see what we get until we reach $15 billion market cap. So realistically, you guys, let's just check here. We'll try $400, okay? So $400, that would be roughly a $4.8 billion market cap. So we'll take 12 million again. Take 12 million and we will go multiply it by 1,000. Okay, obviously that's going to be where we're at. So we've got right there. We got $12 billion market cap. So we'll go a little bit higher than that. So we'll try 1,200 next. So 1,200 times a circulating supply of 12 million tokens. And we've got $14.4 billion market cap. Okay, we'll try 1,250. 1,250 times 12 million circulating supply. There we go. That's the number I'm looking for, you guys. So for the sake of this video and my long-term price prediction, I'm going to go with $1,250 long-term here, you guys. Now, again, guys, I'm not a magician. I can't guarantee anything. Nobody can. But, based on the way that I do things, my long-term price prediction for Dash is going to be $1,250. Now, the other thing I like to do, you guys, is I like to see what a good potential return on our investment would be if we were to invest in it right now. Okay. Now, usually when I buy into a long-term position, I like to start out with $10,000 if the funds are available. So we'll take $10,000 and we're going to see what we could potentially make if it were to reach those levels again, but if we were to invest in it right now. So we'll take $10,000 and we'll go ahead and divide it by $102. So $102 and we've got 98 coins, okay? We'll take 98 coins and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by 1,250, you guys. And we're going to come out with a good, solid about $112,000 return on our investment, for a total of $122,500. But realistically, you guys, it's $112,000 return on your investment if it goes to those levels again. So realistically, you guys, this is a very solid long-term investment here. I mean, it really, really is, especially if you have other positions, multiple positions and multiple other coins as well. You're going to profit big time from this one. I mean, this is a good solid return on your investment for just buying and holding long term and not having to do anything. I mean, literally, guys, you're not having to trade it, nothing. You're just buying and holding long term. So since there's not much risk there at all, that's a very solid return on your investment, you guys. So again, for the sake of this video, you guys, my long-term price prediction for Dash is going to be $1,250. But that pretty much does it for this video, you guys. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.